Hello everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this beautiful stitch here. It's extremely easy to do and it is a 1-row repeat. I think it would make very, very beautiful blankets or anything you wanted to do with it, and it does look the same on both sides. Looking the same on both sides. Easy 1-row repeat. What more could we ask for? Oh, when it's pretty much solid yet still very flexible. You guys want to go ahead and get started on it? Yeah? Alright, let's do this. I'm going to set this to the side. Okay, for that particular stitch, remember I'm just showing you the stitch tutorial, and I'll show you the yarn that I used for this particular swatch here. But whatever yarn, whatever you're making will determine on what yarn you'd like to use for your project. But for this, I used Premier Anti-Pilling Everyday Worsted. It's a 100% anti-pilling acrylic, a medium weight number 4 in the color Porcelain Blue. And for that particular yarn, I did use a size I, which is a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. All right, so this stitch is made up of single crochet and half double crochet. Those are the only stitches that you need to know to do this stitch. So the beginning chain is done in any even number of stitches. So whether you're making a blanket, a scarf, a top, it doesn't matter. You chain in the length, you chain your chain for however long you need your project to be, and you need to make sure that it's an even number. So for this swatch here that I'm doing, I chained 20 chains. So we'll go ahead and we'll start row 1, and we are going to be working in the 3rd chain from our hook. So we don't count the one that's on our hook. 1, 2, 3. In that 3rd chain, we are going to work a single crochet, and in that same chain a half double crochet. So in our 3rd chain from the hook, we put a single crochet and a half double crochet. Now we'll go ahead and start the repeat. For row 1, we are going to skip 1 chain, and in the next one we're going to work a single crochet and a half double crochet into the same stitch, and that will be the repeat for row 1. Skip 1 chain, and in the next we're going to put a single crochet and a half double crochet, just like that. Skip 1, go to the next, work a single crochet and a half double crochet into the same stitch. So we're going to keep repeating this pattern of skipping 1 and putting a single crochet and a half double into the next until we have 1 stitch that remains. Skip 1 and the next single, and in the same one half double, just like that. So I'll see you at the end of row 1 when we have 1 stitch left. Alright, so I've made it to the end of row 1 and I have 1 stitch that remains. I'm going to put a half double crochet into that last stitch, just 1 half double, and that will end row 1. Now row 2 is the repeat row. Row 2 is the one that we're going to keep repeating and repeating and repeating. So we will start by chaining 2. 1, 2. And that's going to act as a half double crochet, and we're going to turn our work. And we are going to work not in this stitch right here, not this one, but the next one. You see that there's 2 loops. The loop closest to you is the front loop, and the loop furthest away is the back loop. So not in this first stitch here, but the next one, we're going to go just into the first loop of that stitch and put a single crochet. Now into that same stitch, but the back loop of it, we're going to put a half double crochet. So just kind of look, swing it around, and in that same stitch you just get the back loop part of it, and we put a half double crochet just like that. And then we're going to skip one and do the same into the next. So if you look closely, this is actually the half double crochet from the previous row. So it has a little loop here. We don't do anything with that loop. Kind of flip it up, we're going to be working on the top. So we're skipping one, and in this stitch right here, in the first loop of it, we put a single crochet, and then in the back loop of it, of that same stitch right there, we put a half double crochet. So we're putting two stitches in the same stitch, but one's going into the front loop and one's going into the back loop. And again, this is what we're going to repeat until we get to the last stitch of our row. So we're going to skip the next stitch and the next stitch here, leave this loop right here. We don't do anything with that one. Flip it up here, and in the first loop of this stitch, going through just one loop, single crochet, and in that same stitch, the back loop that we didn't go through, half double crochet. And repeat. Skip one, here's your next stitch. You want to be working with the two loops on top here. So the first loop, we go into it and we single crochet, and the back loop of that same stitch right here, half double crochet, just like that. Again, you skip one, and here's the next stitch right here. In the first loop, get to single crochet in the same stitch, but the back loop of it gets a half double. And we're going to repeat this all the way across, skipping one, and in the next we're putting a single crochet into the front loop and a half double crochet into the back loop, going into the same stitch, remember, but one is going into the front loop and one is going into the back. Skip one and repeat, and we will do this until we have one stitch that remains. And this is what it starts to look like on row 2. Alright, when you make it to the end and you have one stitch left, you just want to go ahead and put a half double crochet into that last stitch. Oh, it's a chain here. There we go. Half double crochet, and that ends row 2, and that is the repeat row. So we would just keep repeating that. So for row 3, I'm just going to repeat what I did on row 2. I'm going to chain 2 and turn my work, and if you flip it, you can kind of see a little bit of the design. It makes it on one side, and then it'll make it on the other, and when you turn it, it makes it back on this side again. So back and forth, back and forth. We're going to repeat this. So we don't do anything in this very first stitch here, but we work in this one, and in the front loop of it we single crochet, and in the back loop of that same stitch we half double crochet. Skip one, and the next stitch, the front loop of it gets a single, and the back loop of the same stitch gets the half double. So we're just repeating what we just did. Skip one, next stitch, front loop, single, back loop, half double. Skip a stitch, front loop of it gets the single, and the back loop of it gets the half double, and we will keep repeating this until we get to the last stitch of our row. Remember, this is just a repeat of row 2. It's what we will continue doing until, skip one, until we get it the size that we want it to be. Alright, so you've made it to the end here, and what you want to do is just half double crochet into this last chain space. Just like that. And that's it. I'm just going to keep repeating what we just did. Row 3 was just a repeat of row 2. Just repeat it again. Chain 2. Turn your work. Nothing into this stitch here, but this one is the front loop gets the single, and the back loop of the same stitch gets the half double. Just like that. And after a few repeats, it starts to look like this. It's beautiful. I think it turned out very nicely. Nice clean edges. So I hope that you enjoyed my tutorial. I hope you were able to follow along okay. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and check out all my other tutorials. I do have hundreds and hundreds of tutorials. Anything that you could ever want to make, multiples of them. Please check them out, and they're all free there for you to enjoy. So I'll see you guys on my next video, whatever it might be. Take care.